Foundation is an essential makeup item that is highly popular amongst many people. From runways to YouTube makeup tutorials, you have probably heard many people speaking about it. However, should you follow along and include a foundation in your makeup routine? As the basis of your makeup routine, your skin also derives many benefits from the foundation, including protection from environmental pollutants, provides UV protection, and promotes anti-aging properties. Furthermore, it boosts self-confidence, evens out skin tone, and makes pores less noticeable. With all these benefits from the foundation, you would swear that it is a magic potion in a bottle for your skin. All makeup lovers will agree with me that we cannot live without it. If you're looking for reasons to wear foundation, well, you are about to find out why the foundation is your best friend. Make sure to have a blending brush sponge on hand because you are about to fall in love with the foundation. Before dipping into the reasons to wear foundation, here is what it is and does. Foundation is skin-colored makeup used on your face. Don't forget about your neck too. Foundation's name describes its purpose to create an even canvas for the rest of your makeup. It is offered in cream, stick, or powder form and comes in a wide array of skin shade options. Depending on the kind you buy, they all provide many different types of benefits. Thanks to modern technology and formulas, the foundation is now a must-have product for your skin. You can officially say goodbye to the days where the foundation is just an impurity cover-up and a damaging skin product. Allow your skin to reap the full benefits the foundation has to offer with prioritizing skincare by cleansing, moisturizing, and priming with products that meet your skin's needs. Watch on because you don't want to miss out on the best foundation for your skin type. With product suggestions, too. Say it with me, moisture, moisture, moisture. Products that contain squalane and hyaluronic acid will do wonders for your skin. Try DD, Dynamic Do All Creams, a type of foundation having 15-in-1 benefits for your skin, including hydrating properties, buildable coverage, and evens out skin tone. It's time to ditch your matte or powder foundations because an excellent nourishing dewy liquid or cream foundation is the way to go. Get the hydration with these foundations. Normal skin. Just about any kind of foundation will work well with your skin type. The only thing you need to worry about is matching your shade correctly. So consider yourself extremely lucky. Go wild and experiment with different foundations. Here are some lovely options for you to choose from. So pick your favorite kind that works best for you. Combination skin. You have two focuses. Dry, oily skin. So what is your solution? Foundation for combination skin. Of course, cream to powder foundations is an excellent option, too, because they are made specifically for combination skin. Whatever you decide to choose, they both offer coverage that is buildable and has a long-lasting effect. You'll love these different options, and so will your skin. Oily acne-prone skin. Oily acne-prone skin feels and looks its best with foundations that do not clog the pores, are full coverage, have oil-free formulas, and contain ingredients like salicylic acid that help with inflammation, UCC, color-correcting creams, and mattifying foundations that are full coverage for best results. Remember that foundation evens out your skin tone, so a concealer over the top is a great choice when it comes to acne for extra coverage. Let foundation give you that extra VA. Sensitive skin. The key to foundations for sensitive skin is to take complete control of it. For the best results, lightweight formulas that allow for easy management of coverage are best. The fact that these are easy to remove also makes them great for preventing skin reactions. Avoid ingredients like salicylic acid, alcohol, isopropyl and benzyl, fragrances, specifical benzaldehyde, and glycolic acid. Don't you worry. There are many sensitive skin options available on the market today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching and stay with us subscribing to this channel. Have a great day.